वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने कहा कि पाकिस्तान का एटमी प्रोग्राम जारियत के लिए नहीं, दिफा के लिए है। पाकिस्तान को जारियत का निशाना बनाया गया तो दुश्मन को याद रहने वाला सबक सिखाया। वज़ीर आज़म ने उड़ान पाकिस्तान समर स्किल्स के लिए मुंतखब तलबा से खिताब में कहा कि हुकूमत संभाली तो मुल्क के दिवालिया होने का खदशा था, जिसे मुश्तरका कोशिशों से खत्म किया।
When we took over, Pakistan had just come out of a very serious threat of default. I was sure that we will not default. As luck would have it, our teamwork, joint efforts paid dividends. We threw out the most corrupt lot in FBR. You would be very happy to know that digitalization today is the hallmark in FBR. Pakistan was a victim of aggression in the month of May. We responded and responded with full might, which taught our enemy a lesson of their life, and flashing point of a nuclear war never came. By the grace of God, inshallah, it will never come. Our nuclear program is for our self-defense. It is not for aggression.